Welcome. In front of me I have Samsung Galaxy S21 Plus, and today I'm going to show you how you can remove the tempered glass from the smartphone. As you can see, I'm going to turn off the screen, and as you can see, you can spot this screen right here on the edges. So how we can get rid of the screen protector? It's very easy. We have to put our finger under the screen protector, so just make it like that. As you can see, the air is coming underneath the screen protector. Just keep holding it like that, and then just leave it a little bit. Do it slowly to don't break the screen and don't hurt yourself. And as you can see, it's removed. So that's how it looks. That's how you can remove the tempered glass from your Samsung Galaxy S21 Plus. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel. See ya!